Everyone, now we're in Codewars. We're solving a problem titled as to square root or not to square root. You may pause the video if you want to read the description. Okay, so basically we only need to square root each number if it is possible. But if not possible, we square the number. For example, 4 can be square rooted into 2. But 3, if we try to square root it, it will result in a decimal with a lot of numbers after the dot. So instead of square root it, we square the number. So it becomes 9. Okay, so this is the way I solve it. So I use the fact that 3 as a float is the same as 3 as an integer in terms of value. So for example, 3. And I also use a square root method inside the math library. This is just as simple as to square root the number. So if we try to square root the number, which is 3, then the result is this number with a lot of numbers after the dot. It is decimal. And then the integer version is 1. So because they are not the same, then we can conclude that 3 cannot be square rooted. So instead of square rooting it, we square the number. So as you can see here in the previous example, 3 becomes 9, which is the square number. 9 is the square number of 3. And then the next example is 9. If we try to square root 9, the result is 3.0, and the integer version of it is 3. So we can conclude that 9 can be square rooted. So as you can see here, 9 becomes 3. Okay, that's it. So yeah, let's get into the code. So first we have to import the math library. Then we create an array to store all the values, the resulting values, and then for we look through all numbers inside the array, and then we check the number if it can be square rooted or not. Okay, so math.root x equals to integer version of it x. If so, then we add that element, we add that number, the resulting number, into the array. Okay. Like that. And then else, if it is not possible, then we square root the number. And then we return the array. Test. Okay, everything looks good. And then 10. Yeah, everything works perfectly. So this is for the current video. I'll see you on the next video.